Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay my dear students, after a long time I am coming in front of you live. Okay, now we will move on further my dear students. Our revision session, today is our revision session and now we will move on further chapter number 7 or chapter number 8. So today we are going to learn a revision of chapter number 8 or 7. Chapter number 7, I hope you remember what is the name of chapter number 7. Fraction. Okay, and then after further my dear students, we move on our chapter number 8. Shape, space and pattern. Okay my dear students, we will move on further our revision. So first of all here we do the revision of fraction, and now my dear students, here we start the revision of chapter number 7, fraction. Okay, now my dear students, I am going to teach you here exercise number 7D. Okay, in exercise number 7D, my dear students, directly we will move on question number 4. Directly I am moving on question number 4. Solve the following. Okay, I hope you remember how many steps of the solving the following. Okay, there are two steps. First step is what? Division, and then after the multiplication. Okay, first we do the division of with denominators, and then our denominators answer means our quotient. The quotient is multiplied with what? Our numerator. So let's do, and here do again the revision. So now here start my dear students. Question number 1. Okay, what is the question number first, my dear students? Question number first is what? 1 upon 4 of 36. Okay, 1 upon 4 of 36. We have to find here the answer. Okay, we have to find answer of 1 upon 4 of 36. How many? We don't know. So let's check here, my dear students. So first of all, here we write this digit. Okay, and this digit divide with 4. Okay, so my dear students, here we divide with 4. So how we divide, my dear students? Let's check here. So in table number 4, 36 will come or not? In table number 4, 36 will come or not? So let's check here, my dear students. In table number 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. It's like that, my dear students, we are going to do. Okay, one more things, my dear students. Here we write the first step. Okay, step by step we are going to do further. Okay, 4 nines are how many, my dear students? 36. See here, 4 nines are 36. No need to write this step because of only for example. Okay, I'll give you here only example here. No need to write this step in a sum. Okay, got my points clear? We have to write as like that. 4 nines are 36. Okay, so we are writing here 4 nines are 36. Now what to do here? Here we do the subtraction. Means subtract. 36 minus 36 means 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So answer is what? Here 0 is not our answer, but dear students, 0 is not answer. 9 is our answer. Quotient is what, my dear students? 9. So quotient is 9. So we write our answer 9, and now we let's check our numerator. What is our numerator? 1. Okay, 1 is our numerator and 4 is what? Denominator. So here we multiply with a numerator. So 9 divided by this numerator is 1. So 9 divided by 1. I hope you all remember 9 ones are 9. Okay, 9 ones are 9. Okay, what my points, my dear students? Now this is your example number 1, question number 1. As like that we are going to do both steps. Step number 1 is division and step number 2 is multiplication. We are going to do as like that. Okay, again I repeat, my dear students. I am taking here the question number 2 and again I am explaining the whole answer. Okay, so let's check here, my dear students. One is what here? One is numerator. One is numerator. Okay, and 3 is what here? 3 is denominator. Okay, so 1 is numerator and 3 is denominator. It's just for knowledge, no need to write beside the sum. No need to write beside the sum, only it's just for knowledge. Okay, so now here we are going to do the step number 1. I hope you remember the step number 1. Okay, what is the step number 1? Step number 1 is division. So let's do here, students, step number 1. Okay, so now here we do the step 18. First of all, we write 18. This 18 divided with our denominator. Okay, 80 we divide 80 with 3. So means 80 divided by 3 as like that. Okay. Then after the next topic, further topic is what? We write inside the box 80 and outside the box what? 3. It's divisor and it's divided. What we write inside the box? Inside the box we write the divided digit and outside the box we write the divisor. So now here we do the division, my dear students. In table number 3, 80 will come or not here? In table number 3, 80 will come or not? Yes, definitely it will come. But where, my dear students? 3 6s are 80, 3 5s are 50 and 3 6s are 80. Okay, for your knowledge, I am giving you example here. See, 3 5s are 15. Then after 3 6s are 18. Okay, my dear students, we do as like that, my dear students. Okay, so here we write the 3 6s are 18. Okay, now here we do the what? Here we do, my dear students, here we do what? Subtraction. Here we do the subtraction, my dear students. Okay, so 8 minus 8 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now what is the next step, my dear students? Next step is what? Next step is multiplication. So let's check here, my dear students. Multiplication 6. Okay, quotient is what? 6. We have to mention a 6 here. Okay, quotient means our answer is we are describing here, and then after with numerator, our numerator is 1. So here we multiply with 1 means numerator. Okay, so what we do here? 6 ones are. How many, my dear students? 6 ones are 6 ones are 6. Okay, so answer is what? 6. Okay, my dear students. So how we write the answer? We write the answer as like that, my dear students. Okay, so 1 upon 3 of 18 is 6. Okay, my dear students, we write as like that. Now I am giving you time. Now I am giving you time to write. Note down this sum, my dear students. Start the writing in your book. Okay. I hope you all are sitting with your book all. And dear students, you have to note down in your rough book now, and then after I hope you all are you have done in your fair book this exercise number 7D. So first of all we write the question, then after the 18 divided by 3. What, my dear students, we are writing there? You are writing there 18 divided by 3. Okay, and then you do the division. Then what you are doing, my dear students? You are doing the division. Okay, 18 divided by 3. Okay, then after do the subtraction, 18 minus 18. So how many all? 18 minus 18. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, but 3 6 are 18. Okay, so 6 is our quotient, 6 is our answer. So 6 divide with 6 multiply with what? 6 multiply with numerator. Okay, 6 multiply with numerator. So 6 ones are 6. Got my points all dear? Okay, now these sums note down in your book. I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes. Then after, my dear students, we move on further question number C. Okay, so you just try question number C. Don't forget to write 18 divided by 3. This step here. You have to mention, you have to write this step in your book with sum. Okay. So now I hope you have done this sums. Now we will move on further question number C, my dear students. So let's check here the question number C. So now we start the chapter question number C. Okay, let's check, my dear students, question number C. Okay, what is the question number C? So 1 upon 2 of 60. What, my dear students? 1 upon 2 of 60. Okay, so here we do the first division, then we will move on multiplication. So now I am describing all things here. So first what to do here, we write the 60. Then it's divided with 2. Okay, my dear students, then we divide with 2. 2 is what? Our denominator. Okay, as like that, my dear students. As like that we are going to do one. Okay. Then after we will move on further, my dear students. Next step is the division. 16 2 divided by 60. What, my dear students? 2 divided by 60. So in table number 2, my dear students, 16 will come or not? Now let's think, my dear students. In table number 2, 16 will come? Yes. Where? But 2 is the 16. Where, my dear students? 2 8s are where 2 8s are 60. Okay, 6 minus 6, how many? 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so answer is what? Quotient is what? Q for quotient. Quotient means answer is 8. Now my dear students, our next step is multiplication. So here we do the multiplication. First we write this answer 8 here. Okay, and then what we are writing? Then further multiply, put the symbol of multiply, and then we write the numerator, this numerator. What is the numerator? A fraction, upside digit is called a numerator. Okay, and downside digit is denominator. So 8 multiplied with 1. So 8 ones are 8, my dear students. Answer is what? 8 ones are 8. Got my points, my dear students? Now here we write the answer. Okay, answer. How we write the answer? Answer, my dear students. 1 upon 2 of 16 is 8. Okay, is our answer. 1 upon 2 means we have 2 half of 60. Okay, 8 plus 8, how many? 60. Means we have to write here only half of 60. So by method, by division method, we are solving this. Okay, now take your time and then okay, and then you write neat and clean in your book. Okay, dear. Now start writing all. Okay, now my dear students, first of all you write the division. You do the step 1, division step. Then further you write the multiplication. Means 8 ones are this step. Okay, now my dear students, you write the answer. 1 upon 2 of 16 is 8. Okay, now my dear students, you write the answer. 1 upon 2 of 16 is 8. This is your question number C. We have done here what we are doing here, my dear students. Exercise number 7D. Question number 4, solve the following in question number C. Okay. Now we move on further, question number D. So let's start here, my dear students. I hope you read this all. Question number C. Okay, my dear students, we have done as question number A, B or C. So now we will move on for the question number D. Okay, we will move on for the question number D. Okay, my dear students, let's check here. The first means 1 upon 4 of 28. So what we write the first? 28 divide with denominators. Okay. Now my dear students, I'll give you 1 to 2 minutes. You have to try to do on self, and then we are going to do further. What you are do now? You do first division. Okay. So let's check, my dear students, how we do. In table number 4, 28 will come or not? Let's check. Let's think. Okay, so where, my dear students, 4 sevens are 28. Okay, 4 sevens are 28, my dear students. Then after, answer is what? 7. Okay, and 7 multiply with which digit, which number? 7 multiply with numerator. Okay, my dear students. So 7 multiply with numerator. So 7 ones are 7. Understood? Now let's check, my dear students, and you are also check your sum is correct or incorrect. So what? 4 divided by 20. Okay, 4 sevens are how many? 20. 4 sevens are 20. 28 minus 28, otherwise 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we move on next step, multiplication. Means we have put the first sign of is equal to, then multiply, then 1. Why I am writing here 1? Because of our numerator is 1, and that's why we are writing here 1. Okay. So it's a numerator. Again I am telling you, don't forget the term of this called fraction digit. Okay. 7 ones are 7. So now here we write the 7 ones are how many, my dear students? 7. So answer is 7. Okay. In answer you must be mandatory you make a box in answer. Okay. Now we write here the answer. So answer is what? 1 upon 4 of 28 is 7. 1 upon 4 of 28 is 7. What my point? Now you note down in your book, dear all. So first you write the word division, then after write the multiplication. No need to write the numerator and this arrow. Only you are write, my dear students, division or multiplication step. Then after we will move on for the question number E and question number F. So let's check, my dear students, question number E and question number F. I hope you all are written this question number D. Now we move on, my dear students, question number E. Okay, now I am giving here one homework. Okay, for a test. And you send me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, now I will be here giving one. Okay, question number A is what? 1 upon 2 of 30. Okay, you have to find here the answer. Okay, in homework for test. Now with question number B. Okay, my dear students, what you are doing? Okay, see this question number 1/2 of 30, and question number B is what? 1/4 of 60. Okay, note down these both sum, my dear students. Okay, in this both sum for a test, and you write the answer, my dear students. Note down this both sum here, and you try to solve at your home for and this both sum is for a test, and then you send me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all are understood, and thank you so much all of you for watching this video. Thank you so much all of you.